Have you ever wondered why certain people make lots of sales and certain other people don't? Stick around to find out. Hello and welcome to Digital Earning Palace YouTube channel where I teach make money online. Our focus for today is on the 5 secret stages of the e-commerce conversion funnel, what they are and how to use them to your benefit. To begin with, what exactly is a conversion funnel? Now, according to Wikipedia, a conversion funnel is a phrase used in e-commerce to describe a journey a customer takes through an internet advertising or search system, navigating an e-commerce website, and then finally converting to sales. The secret stages of the e-commerce conversion funnel that I'll be revealing to you very shortly are the stages that a customer goes through from point A to point B until a sale is made. Just as you know how a typical funnel looks like, at the upper part of the funnel, more things can go through. But at the lower part of the funnel, very little things can go through. I will show to you the 5 secret stages that will guide your customers through the e-commerce conversion funnel and lead to more sales on autopilot. When it comes to the e-commerce conversion funnel, it may vary slightly from one organization to another. But what I'll be sharing with you applies to all scenarios. The very first stage of the e-commerce conversion funnel is what I simply call the strangers. Strangers are basically people with whom you are not familiar with. Someone or a group of people whom you have not met with before. And so at this stage, you get to attract these strangers or group of strangers to become clients that get to pay you continuously, either through the use of a blog in which you can create content around, and then you can gain traction when they get to read your blog post. You can make use of social content. The general public also is a medium through which you can meet with strangers. And then one that is really powerful is the use of ads campaign. Right here on this channel, we'll be mentioning elaborately on some of the things that I am mentioning and you do not understand. The second secret stage of the e-commerce conversion funnel is prospective customers. A prospective customer is regarded as a person or an organization with an interest in making a purchase. Such kind of persons have financial resources and the power to make buying decisions. And so at this stage, your aim is to convert this category of people, and you can do this easily with the use of either a checklist which they have to follow, an ebook which is related to what it is that you are promoting. You can also make use of a toolkit in order to get prospective customers, or you can do giveaways. Give out something that is of great value for free. Once they are successfully converted, they are turned to leads. The third stage of the e-commerce conversion funnel is called leads. A lead in this case is a person who shows interest in a brand's product or services, meaning that such a person is a potential customer. Don't forget that the main aim of most businesses is to generate as many sales as possible. And so at this stage, your aim is to close this group of people. To help close this group of people, I recommend that you give a free trial of the product or brand that you intend to promote, or do a form of demo showing them the how-to of a particular product or service, or how to navigate through a particular site, whichever fits your intended purpose. The fourth stage of the e-commerce conversion funnel is the customers. A customer is basically a person who buys goods or services from, say, a shop or a business. And so at this stage, you already have paying customers, and your aim here is to delight this group of people. Make them addicted to your brand so that these paying customers keep on paying you consistently. And to do this, you can make use of either of the following means. You can make use of surveys so you can see how they feel about your brand or the product that you're trying to promote. This will also help give you feedback on how to do better with your brand. You can do a referral program where they get to have commissions from using and also recommending your product or brand. You can also do an early release of your product. The fifth secret stage of the e-commerce conversion funnel is called promoters. So at this particular stage, the customers from the fourth secret stage of the e-commerce conversion funnel becomes automatically promoters of your brand, which is the fifth stage of the e-commerce conversion funnel. At this point, the funnel is complete and the cycle continues on and on and keeps putting money in your pocket. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to stay subscribed to this channel to get more undiluted updates. If you have any question, leave me a comment in the comment section below and I'll be sure to answer. My name is Peter Agbeje from Digital Earning Palace, where I teach make money online related content. And I'll see you in the very next video where I'll be sharing with you 5 real ways to make money online.